Hey guys, it's Kevr back with another video. Today I'll show you how to install Pokemon Go on an Android device irrespective of its availability on the Play Store. So without any further ado, let's get it started. All you have to do is click on Chrome and open the link given down below in the description and download the APK. Once you are done downloading, you need to go to your file manager and install the application. You'll need to allow the unknown sources in order to install this application. Once you're done with the installation, open the application. You'll need to set it up. Once you're done with that, log in with your Google account and you're ready to go. If you like such kind of content, do drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget, you gotta catch 'em all. Until next time, peace out.